Hey guys, how are we doing? So welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. I'm on a kayak today, and today we're out for squidding, catching some squid. It's a reef squid and big fins on them. So in Japan, they are called the king of squid. So what I want to do today is try some okizuke. It's kind of fisherman's recipe from all times. It's kind of marinade, but the thing is do everything offshore. So as soon as I catch the squid, I put it in a bag with soy sauce, actually dashi joyu. Dashi joyu is a soy sauce mixed with fish essence, so a little bit sweeter. So anyway, as soon as I catch the squid, I put it in a dashi joyu and marinate for maybe a day or two, and then you can enjoy the different type of sashimi. So that's what I'm thinking today. So now I'm searching for the perfect spot to catch squid. So they could be in various spots, but I want to just narrow down the spot. So let's say less than 10 meters, and there are some rocks and seaweed, and also there are some bait. And I think I just found it. So this is the tackle I'm gonna use today. This is called egi, specifically designed for catching squid. So make it dance in the water and stay, and then the squid come to hold it, and it's fish on. It works like it. Cast it out a little bit. Okay, so first you drop it down to the bottom. Okay, once you hit the bottom, do this pop-up action for 5 times. And stay for maybe 5 seconds or so. And drop it down again. And hit the bottom, pop-up action. 5. And stay. You know, people often say that line should stand around 45 degrees. That's the ideal angle for tip run egging, but actually it's really hard to do that on a kayak, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna move a little bit. Hey, so it's been a whole day since I dipped this thing into sweetened soy sauce, and let's open it up. So it's gonna be really messed up, so I'm gonna do everything in the sink. See, now it's really nice and brown. It's well dipped. So now I'm gonna separate this squid into 3 different parts: body and fins and legs and others. Okay. So I'm gonna use this part, legs and organs, for butter saute, and these ones for sashimi.